Hey guys, it's Ashley and today we're here with Ipsy. This is their November package. This is both the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Ipsy Standard Bag. If you're not familiar with these, they are in the OG beauty subscription. The Glam Bag Plus is $12 a month. You do get like 5 different sample size, sometimes full size products, in a cute little glam bag. The Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. And you get full-sized items, and you do get to select one of them. It is amazing, and it does come with a drawstring bag. It's a little larger. So I don't know what's in here. This is completely blind. We're gonna do this together. I did just pop the top to take a picture inside for TikTok. Pilgrim's here with us. She's helping us unbox. Hopefully she doesn't scratch me, because I'm interrupting her nap. So there it is. I'm not an animal print person, but the fact that they put the orange band on this makes it so appealing to me. So one of the things that always gets me about these is that like there will be items for the, I should probably say this. Ipsy sends this to me for review. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't make money if you subscribe, but they do send me these products to review for you guys. So I should say that first. When they send me the products, they kind of put it all in a box, and I don't know what's Glam Bag Plus or what's Glam Bag, so we're kind of gonna go in and figure it out together. All right, so we're gonna open the Glam Bag first. So first up we have, this is from M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip in the color Queens, which looks like a deep red shade. I've never heard of this brand. This is a full-size liquid lipstick. This could be for Glam Bag, could be for Glam Bag Plus. We'll figure that all out then. All right, then we have, what's this? From Pretty Young Thing. This is a little eyeshadow quad. And it does have 2 shimmers, one of which is very cute. And 2 mattes. So there's these 2 silvery pink colors. This first one's like a gray shimmer. That's actually really pretty. And then there's this beautiful pink, which I love. And it's a little more orange on, which I'll try to insert an image right here of the shades on my hand. Then there's the matte pink, which is very nice. And the matte brown, which is also very nice. And they're not patchy, actually. They actually look pretty cute. When I first saw the colors, I was kind of like, maybe I'll give it to my daughters. It's a little too pink. But then when they're on, they're really beautiful, actually. That's actually really nice. I thought they just did hair products, but they, this is the Upcycle Eyeshadow Party in the Nude eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I thought they did just hair products, but apparently not. Now that I'm certain is for the Glam Bag Plus because it is a smaller size. All right, then there's the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. Ooh, I love perfume. Ooh, look, it's so, like minimalist. I think it's great. This is the Universelle bottle or scent. It is a roll-on. Ooh, oh, I like that. I thought it was gonna be musky at first, which I'm not a fan of, but this is like men's. This is like has a clean, like, it's like hugging a man. Oh, I like that. It's weird. You guys are like, what the hell is she talking about? Oh, I like that. It's an alcohol-free line of delicate perfumes, higher in concentration than eau de parfum, a rich oil that nourishes even the most sensitive of skin and envelops it in a fine fragrance. Housed in Italian glass vessels with an elegant roll-on design, a beautiful statement of our deep commitment to luxury, quality, and sustainability. So there you go. I'd love to see what else their other scents. I'm a big fan. Not gonna lie. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. Sometimes you're like, oh, that's not for me. Like, I'm not a fruity. I know a lot of people love like fruity scents and like, not my style. I love masculine smells. I love like, All right, so then we have Juicy Couture Honey Beet, Wild Honey, Creamy Vanilla, and Orange Blossom Fine Fragrance Soy Candle. That's different. Ooh, that actually smells really good. Oh, I love that. that's a different item to get in Ipsy. It is small, so I'm guessing this is a glam bag item. And then there is a small It Lash Blowout Mascara in a travel size, which I will not unseal this. I'll probably put it in my daughter's stocking. They're always hitting me up for mascara. All right, and that's everything in here. So I do see, so that's 5 items, but I think this is for the Glam Bag Plus because I do see right here in the box, this is a sample size product from a brand called Kinship, who I actually really love. This is the Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Cream Moisturizer. And this is in a small, it looks like it originally comes in a tub. This is a little tube. So anytime something says hydrating gel cream, I assume that there is hyaluronic acid in it, and I know immediately that I won't use it because it makes my skin bad. That's nothing against the brand or the product. My skin can't tolerate it, but I actually don't see it on here, but I'm gonna have to check once I'm not making a video and trying to rush, because that does happen. Sometimes I'll be like, oh, this product doesn't have it, I can use it, and then I look later and I'm like, oh no, it's right there. But anyway, so far I don't see that. But yeah, so that is a sample size, so I'm going to put that over here with those items. So I'm thinking this goes in the Glam Bag Plus. So this is our glam bag. The cute little leopard print with the orange band, a perfume oil, which I'm super pumped for. The candle, which I think is cool too. I love that they're kind of incorporating that kind of stuff, because I feel like at this price point, we kind of want a good variety. You want to have fun. It's a fun, like a surprise bag. Our It Cosmetics mascara, the Kinship hydrating cream, and no shade on anybody that makes a hydrating gel. It works for most people. It's just me. And I'm, you know, I hate to be like negative, like, oh, I can't use that. I really can't. I've learned, like, don't try. And then there is the eyeshadow quad from Pretty Young Thing. So our Glam Bag Plus, which has orange strings. And then we did talk about this liquid lipstick in the red, which, you know what? Let's swatch this too. And then I'll take a picture and insert it as well. Ooh. Pretty for this time of year. I love how they line it up so that the items you're getting match the season. Very nice. This is from Perlise, and it is a pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask, which sounds very exciting. Nice maybe for like a girls' night, me and my girls. I have a 13 and a 15-year-old. If you're new here, hi, welcome. And we like to do like fun, just girly things together. This would be fun because it is like seasonal and cute, and it's orange, just saying. Oh, by the way, here's my insert. The theme this month is Creature Comforts, so that's kind of cool. Ooh, brushes. I love getting brushes. This is Iconic London. This is a white bag, and I don't want to get it all yucky. Oh, they're so pretty. They're eyeshadow brushes in white with gold, like a rose gold ferrule. These are beautiful. You have a bigger one, a shader, is that what it's called? This one with the tapered brush that kind of gets into the creases. Another shader, and then this smudger. So those are beautiful. I like those. I don't know how they're gonna perform, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, then we have, oh, that goes here. This is Shades by Shan setting spray. Ooh, you are berry beautiful. Oh, is it a berry scented? Oh. This setting spray is infused with hyaluronic acid. Niacinamide is fine. I can use niacinamide, but hyaluronic acid is a no for me, so I know I can't use this right off the bat. And I love getting setting sprays. I love using them. Bummer. All right, then we have a palette. Who's this from? We're gonna find out. This is from, I can't read this. It's Prismita. What the hell does that say? Do you guys know what that says? It says rollerblade, maybe? Rona Reveled. I don't know. A Reign of Rebelled. Okay, now that makes more sense. So this is, ooh, it's an eyeshadow and a blush palette. So you open it up. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Reign of Rebelled unapologetically celebrates our many powerful dualities with products that are beautiful as they are fierce. Our multi-use Prismita palette includes 6 attention-getting shades that are guaranteed to give you that regal glow up. We are proud to be a Latino-owned brand offering products that are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, and phthalate-free. So here is Con Amor, Regina the founder. So even that little, oh, it's like, even this is texture. That's kind of cute. The roses inside is cute. So let's, the shades, by the way, the eyeshadow shades are beautiful. So the 2 mattes are like gorgeous. This is like a coral color and then a, more like an eggplant, you know? And then the 2 shimmers are more neutral. Like you have a kind of a bronzier pink one, and then this champagne color, and then you have this Rosa blush here, and then this beautiful highlighter, which has like a peachy kind of a sheen to it. I'm excited. I'm gonna put these on the other side. So this is the purple. And it actually goes on pretty nice for a matte deep color like that. And this is the coral. Oh, I love that. This is the lighter of the shimmers. And then this is the darker of the shimmers. Oh, that's pretty too. And then we'll take the blush. Ooh, I love that blush. I actually want to try to play with that. And now I will crinkle my fingers together. Rub it on this orange thing. And then I will put on the highlighter, which is also, I'll take a picture and insert it so you guys can see. Very, very beautiful. So in our Ipsy Plus, we have the Reign of Rebelled palette, the Pearly Mask, the liquid lipstick from BTU, the iconic 4 brush eyeshadow brush set, and the setting spray from Shades by Shan in our Glam, along with our drawstring bag, don't forget that. And then in our Glam bag, we have the Kinship hydrating cream, the eyeshadow quad, the little candle, the mascara, and the perfume oil, which I'm super stoked about. I think this is my favorite product of all that was included. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I will link down below to Ipsy if you want to check them out, because, you know, why wouldn't you? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.